Online Business Roadmap. Navigate your way to success with this step-by-step guide.
Welcome to our comprehensive guide on building an online business. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur or looking to maximize your online presence, this step-by-step video will provide you with the roadmap to success. From ideation to execution, we'll cover all the essential aspects of building a thriving online business. Join us as we delve into a variety of strategies, tips, and insights to help you navigate the world of online entrepreneurship. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey towards building a successful online business. Welcome back, viewers. Are you ready to dive into the world of online business and unlock the keys to success? You've come to the right place. In this in-depth video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to navigate the online business landscape and help you realize your entrepreneurial dreams. So, let's get started. Online Business Roadmap. Navigate your way to success with this step-by-step guide. Segment 1. Understanding the online business landscape. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of building an online business, let's begin by understanding the online business landscape. With the rapid growth of e-commerce and digital platforms, the opportunities to start an online business have never been greater. In this segment, we'll explore the various online business models, popular niches, and current market trends to help you identify your niche. Segment 2. Ideation and market research. Now that you have a basic understanding of the online business landscape, it's time to dive into the next crucial step: ideation and market research. In this segment, we'll guide you through the process of generating business ideas, conducting market research, and evaluating the viability of your ideas. By the end, you'll have a refined business concept that aligns with your goals and has the potential for success. Segment 3. Building your online presence. With a solid business concept in hand, it's time to establish your online presence. In this segment, we'll walk you through the essential steps of creating a professional website, optimizing it for search engines, and utilizing various digital marketing strategies to attract your target audience. We'll also discuss the importance of branding and effective communication to establish credibility and trust in the online space. Segment 4. Setting up sales and operations. Congratulations on building your online presence. Now, let's focus on setting up sales and operations. In this segment, we'll explore different e-commerce platforms, payment gateways, and order fulfillment methods. We'll also delve into inventory management, customer service strategies, and the importance of building strong relationships with suppliers. By the end of this step, you'll have a robust foundation for your business operations. Segment 5. Scaling and sustaining your online business. You've laid the groundwork, and your online business is up and running successfully. What's next? In this final segment, we'll discuss strategies for scaling your business, expanding your product or service offerings, and increasing your customer base. Additionally, we'll explore techniques for optimizing your operations, improving customer retention, and staying ahead of the competition. Get ready to take your online business to new heights. And that's a wrap, viewers. We hope you found this step-by-step guide to building an online business insightful and inspiring. Remember, success in the online business world requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. With the right roadmap and mindset, you're well on your way to achieving your entrepreneurial dreams. Stay motivated, stay focused, and remember to enjoy the journey. Until next time, thanks for watching.